A very pleasant morning, children. So today we are going to continue our exercise 9.1. So as we have discussed the concepts that are required to deal with this exercise, today I am going to start the exercise starting with first Roman. So please check the board carefully, as it's been some time we have discussed. Maybe it's very much needed to just go in a slower pace for today. So the first question goes like this: identify the terms and quotients for each of the following expressions. You please copy the complete question, just complete question, and in the solution itself you directly write the expressions. No need of copying them again in question and solution. So you will write the statement there. That means identify the terms, their coefficients for each of the following expressions. You will write as a question and you will start the solution like this. Okay. So in the given question they asked us to identify the terms and coefficients. Okay. First let us check with the terms. In any expression, when two or more terms are separated by addition symbol or subtraction, we call them individually terms. Look, so 5xyz square, are you able to see any plus or minus symbols or any other in between 5xyz square? No, we will check only minus and plus. So this minus is separating 5xyz square and 3zy. Irrespective of the variables, we will check whether they have been separated by plus or minus. That's all. Here minus is separating 5xyz square and 3zy. So through this we have to understand there exist two terms. Okay, namely first term is 5xyz square, and don't neglect this minus, children. This should be applicable or applied to the second term. That means it will become minus 3zy. Okay. So don't neglect the signs. If it is plus, not at all a problem, but if it is minus, you please give that minus to the term of the given expression. So 5xyz square is one term, minus 3zy is second term. Now they are asking us to write the coefficients. Look, the numbers or the numerals which are attached to the given terms of an expression we call coefficients. Okay, the numbers or the numerals. Look, for 5xyz square, okay, don't consider the power, only the number other than the variable here. So for the term 5xyz square, we have 5 as the coefficient, and for minus 3zy we have minus 3 as the coefficient. Okay, please don't neglect this minus, and by this time I hope you understood that this minus is applicable to the numerical value of the given expression. Hope you understood, children. So now moving to the second one. Look, here we have 1x and x square separated by plus. Okay, so the individual terms which were separated by this plus or minus we call terms. So what are the terms now? 1, okay, x square. Even we have to consider numerical terms also. Please don't think that only variable terms will be considered as terms. Even we have to consider the numerical values also. Look, so now about the coefficients, we have 1. If there is no numerical coefficient like minus 3, minus 5 like that, we will directly take 1, because 1 into 1 gives us 1. 1 into 1 gives us 1. And here for x also we don't see any kind of numerical coefficient, so again we are going to consider it as 1. Similarly for x square, it is going to be 1. The reason why we took 1 is, look, 1 into 1 gives us back 1, 1 into x gives us back x, 1 into x square gives us back x square. Hence, we should consider the coefficient of the terms without other numerical term as 1. Now, the third one, 4x square y square minus 4x square y square z square plus z square. Here minus and plus are separating, okay, the terms here. So what are the individual terms? 4x square y square is the first term. As I am saying, don't neglect this minus. So minus 4x square y square z square is the second term, and z square is the third term. Okay. So 4x square y square minus 4x square y square z square and z square. Now the coefficient. For 4x square y square we have the numerical coefficient as 4, and for minus 4x square y square z square we have minus 4, and for z square here there is no number, hence we will consider it as 1. Hope you are following, children. Now look. So the fourth one, 3 minus PQ plus QR minus RP. So the terms are going to be 3 minus PQ. As I told, we have to consider numerical terms also. Plus QR or simply QR or minus RP. Minus RP. Now the coefficients. Here we have 3. It doesn't mean we have to take 1 because here we already have 3. Hence 3 minus PQ. We don't have a numeral, hence minus 1. As I told, minus is applicable to the coefficients. QR, again 1, minus RP, minus 1. Okay. Now the fifth one, x by 2 plus y by 2 minus xy. Here we have the terms as x by 2, y by 2 and minus xy. Now the numerical coefficient, children, x by 2, that means this is going to be x by 2. This one we have to consider as 1 by 2 into x, isn't it? We can write x by 2 as 1 by 2 into x. Then what is the coefficient of x? 1 by 2. Next, here we have y by 2. We can write y by 2 as 1 by 2 into y. Then what is the coefficient of y here? Again 1 by 2. And here minus xy. We don't have a numeral. Hence, minus 1 is going to be the coefficient for minus xy. Now, the last one, children, 0.3a minus 0.6ab plus 0.5ab. So, 0.3a is the first term, minus 0.6ab is the second term, and 0.5b is the third term. Okay, so the numerical or the coefficients are going to be 0.3 minus 0.6 and lastly 0.5. Okay, so hope you are quite clear with this, children. So the terms or the things which were separated by plus or minus, and the numerical values of the given expressions or the terms we call coefficients. If there is no numeral found, we will directly write 1, and minus should be given to the coefficients. So please be careful, children. This looks simple, but when you are attempting the questions, most of the people will make the mistakes for this. So copy this, and today I will stop here, and I am not going to give any homework for today. From tomorrow, we'll give the HW accordingly. That's all for today. Copy this first question of exercise 9.1 into your CWs. Have a great day.